Hello darlings, how are you all doing today? I hope you are all doing amazing. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve these beautiful and layered chapatis. They are well nice cooked. My sister came to visit and I just thought, why? Let's cook these chapatis. So without wasting any time, make sure you subscribe and let's start the video. This stage is very important for you getting those soft chapatis. This is actually hot water. We are boiling it and we are going to let it boil even further. Sindio? Ita boil zaidi, sindio? Okay. As I told you guys, my sister is the one cooking, not me. I'm just going to be shooting. And the next ingredient that you're going to require is a sufuria. Because I don't have a plastic basin, we are going to be putting our flour here, wheat flour here, na tukandie hapa. My sister loves cooking with this cowboy. We are also going to be cooking with this vegetable oil, and we are going to be adding a little bit of sugar, salt, and of course the wheat flour. Okay, let's start. Okay, 1 cup of hot water. Satu. And now she's adding the cowboy. My sister is a pro. She's a pro, I'm telling you. We all know that sugar adds that good taste to any food that we cook. Is it baking, chapati, or whatever? I think that is why she's adding a little bit of sugar. So we are adding in the wheat flour. So we start by mixing the ingredients. Basically the water, the cooking flour, sugar, salt, and the wheat flour. And our chef of today is wearing kitchen apron from our company. If you have not ordered them, make sure you order. Yeah, back to cooking. The reason she's using the wooden spoon or the mwiko, it's because the flour is really hot. Remember, the water was boiling. So she has to keep on stirring with the mwiko until it cools down. And then she's going to finish with her hands. As you can see, she stopped using the wooden spoon. Now she's using her hands to kanda. You have to mix this chapati like religiously, bila haraka. And now this is the part that I don't like about cooking chapatis, because if you fail on this part, then your chapati will not be nice at all. So she'll keep on mixing and mixing and mixing until it is ready. So she has been kneading for the last 5 to 6 minutes. We are going to cover it up with foil, and then we're going to give it like 10 minutes, and then we will start cooking. It is super soft. It is amazing. I even told her hizi chapati zitakuwa tamu sana. Okay, let's wait. So actually it took us around 20 minutes to start rolling, and we've been rolling. As you can see, that is cooking oil, and that is the wheat flour that we are putting on the surface so that we can roll. And what we are doing right now is rolling them, putting in some oil, rolling back, and then it will be like those ones. That is how it is done. Simple. No, it's not very simple. Yeah, that is how she's doing them. You can do them differently as you like. Yeah, we are almost done. And on the other side, our pan is heating up. This is the pan that I normally use when I'm cooking chapati. Don't worry how it looks, but yeah, that is my pan, okay? Don't judge me, don't. So we are going to finish the remaining dough, rolling it, and then we start cooking. Kyla, baby, keep quiet. I'm shooting. I'm shooting, baby. Okay, my baby niece is around, so you guys don't worry about the background noise. So we are spreading this, and then we put in the pan. Here is the noise maker. So we are starting putting them into the pan, and the pan is totally hot. That is what we are using to flip. We have flipped it. We have flipped it. And I think she'll be... Are you going to add in the cooking oil there, or you'll put more and more?
No.
You'll add more and more chapatis?
No, more.
You're going to add the oil, okay. Okay, you guys wait and see. Na nimepunguza moto kiasi. Have reduced the heat. The first chapati is almost done. Oh wow, it looks amazing. simple as that. So we are going to repeat that until we finish all those chapatis. Okay? Guys, we are finally done, and this is the final outlook. I love them, and they are super soft. Just look at this. Look at this. Super soft. Ooh. So we are so ready to eat. Let me serve, and then I'll show you cooked beef stew and some stewed cabbage. Serve your chapati and enjoy your food. Thank you so much, darlings, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.